keep on. Just keep fucking doing it. Make me knock your whole fucking head off. Somebody's always starting shit that I'ma have to finish. In my life I'm like a landmine and you a dancing menace. Always stepping all up over me, pushing all my buttons, talk a million words up in my ear and never saying nothing. Always wanting something out of me and never giving back. Never caring that you bother me, you oughta get a slap. My blood pressure's high enough to kill me as it is. I'm running with the short wick and hear you all up in my biz. Aggravation, agitation, my levels rise when I unload and finally explode. Don't act surprised like you never seen it coming. All my warning whistles blowing, anger growing, no controlling when I'm steamrolling. I get mad, I'ma fuck you up. It's me and you